Today, we dive into the story of INS Vikrant, India's first home-built aircraft carrier, a true symbol of national pride. This floating city of steel is more than a warship. It's a declaration that India is strong, self-reliant, and ready to defend its vast coastline. The name Vikrant means courageous and victorious, echoing a legacy of bravery. For decades, building such a ship in India seemed impossible, but determination and innovation made it real. INS Vikrant's launch marks a new era. India is now a creator of advanced technology, not just a buyer. With over 7,500 kilometers of coastline and vital trade routes, India needs a powerful navy, and Vikrant is its sharpest edge. This carrier projects Indian power across the Indian Ocean, assuring friends and warning adversaries. More than steel and machinery, Vikrant is the result of years of effort by thousands of Indians. It embodies the spirit of a confident, ambitious nation ready for the world stage. The story of INS Vikrant is the story of what we can achieve together. It's a testament to vision, unity, and the drive for a stronger India. As we explore this legend, remember, Vikrant is not just a ship, it's a national dream realized. Let's begin our journey into the making of this maritime marvel. Welcome aboard INS Vikrant. Why is an aircraft carrier such a big deal? Think of it as the queen on a chessboard, powerful, versatile, and able to control vast stretches of ocean. Unlike land-based air power, a carrier brings the airport to the action, anywhere in the world. It launches fighter jets, helicopters, and surveillance planes right from its deck, giving the Navy unmatched flexibility. The carrier never sails alone. It's the heart of a carrier battle group, protected by destroyers, frigates, and submarines. Together, they form a fortress at sea, dominating huge areas and deterring threats. This is what makes a Navy blue water, able to operate far from home, globally. With INS Vikrant, India isn't just a regional power. It can protect interests and help allies across the Indian Ocean and beyond. Carriers are tools for peace, deterrence, and humanitarian missions. They're the ultimate symbol of maritime strength. INS Vikrant puts India among the world's elite navies. That's why aircraft carriers rule the waves. Building INS Vikrant was a true make-in-India saga. India chose to design and construct its own carrier, a first for the nation. The journey began at Cochin Shipyard, where Indian engineers created a unique blueprint tailored for our needs. Construction started in 2005, assembling massive steel blocks into a colossal hull. Thousands of skilled workers, from welders to engineers, brought the ship to life. By 2013, the hull was launched, but the real challenge was fitting it with complex machinery, engines, and systems. Indian industries supplied everything from special warship steel to power systems, making Vikrant a national project. The ship's creation united the best of Indian engineering and manufacturing. INS Vikrant proved India can build world-class technology at home. It's a triumph of vision, skill, and teamwork. INS Vikrant is a true giant, 262 meters long, taller than an 18-story building, and weighing 45,000 tons. Its flight deck spans 12,500 square meters, enough for fighter jets to launch and land safely. Inside, it's a floating city with over 2,300 compartments, housing 1,700 crew members. The ship has its own hospital, kitchens, and power plants, allowing it to operate at sea for weeks. 4 massive gas turbines propel Vikrant at speeds up to 28 knots, about 52 km/s. With a range of 7,500 nautical miles, it can cross oceans without refueling. The stowbar system lets jets take off using a ski jump ramp and land with arrestor wires, a marvel of engineering. Every detail is designed for efficiency, safety, and power projection. Vikrant's size and capabilities make it the most complex warship ever built in India. It's a floating fortress, ready for any mission. This is Indian engineering at its boldest. An aircraft carrier's true strength lies in its air wing. INS Vikrant operates up to 30 aircraft, a mix of fighter jets and helicopters for every mission. The MiG-29K is its main fighter, capable of air combat and precision strikes. Soon, advanced jets like the Rafale M will join, boosting Vikrant's power even further. These fighters ensure air superiority and protect the carrier group. Helicopters are vital too. Kamov-31s provide early warning, spotting threats from afar. MH-60 Romeos hunt submarines and defend against enemy ships. Helicopters also handle search and rescue, supply runs, and humanitarian aid. This mix of aircraft makes Vikrant's air wing versatile and formidable. Together, they turn the carrier into a mobile, unstoppable force. Vikrant's air power is India's shield and sword at sea. Building Vikrant wasn't easy. It was a test of Indian resolve. The first challenged special warship steel. When imports failed, Indian scientists and SAIL developed it at home, making India self-reliant. Managing thousands of compartments, kilometers of wiring, and integrating complex systems was a logistical feat. The propulsion system, 4 massive turbines and giant gearboxes, demanded precision engineering and relentless testing. Delays and cost overruns tested patience, but the government and Navy stayed committed. Critics doubted, but the long-term benefits outweighed the hurdles. Every obstacle became a lesson, strengthening India's shipbuilding capability. The result, a world-class carrier, built by Indian hands. Vikrant's journey is proof that challenges can be turned into opportunities. It's a story of innovation, perseverance, and national pride. Overcoming these hurdles made success even sweeter. Vikrant stands as a testament to Indian grit. Behind Vikrant's steel are the stories of its builders and crew. For workers at Cochin shipyard, it was a decade-long mission, not just a job. Welders braved heat, engineers solved problems, and their dedication is in every plate of the ship. The name Vikrant honors India's first carrier, a hero of the 1971 war, linking past glory to future ambition. Life aboard is intense. The flight deck is a ballet of jets and crew, each role vital and dangerous. The ship's motto, Jayama Samyudhi Sprudha, I defeat those who fight against me, captures its spirit. Vikrant is more than a machine. It's a living symbol of India's aspirations. Vikrant is a game-changer for India's maritime security. With 2 carriers, India can guard both its eastern and western seaboards, boosting naval presence and defense. The Indian Ocean's vital trade routes are safer, and India can act as a net security provider in the region. Vikrant enables rapid response to crises, disaster relief, humanitarian aid, and more. Its presence deters adversaries and reassures allies. The carrier strengthens India's diplomatic influence and strategic options. Vikrant is not just a weapon, it's a force for peace and stability. It's the shield that protects India's maritime destiny. With Vikrant, India's Navy stands among the world's best. INS Vikrant is more than a warship. It's a symbol of a new, confident India. It proves we can build the best, inspiring future generations to dream bigger. The project boosted India's defense industry, creating jobs and fostering innovation. Lessons from Vikrant will shape even more advanced carriers in the future. India is on the path to becoming a true maritime superpower. Every time Vikrant sails, it carries the hopes of 1.4 billion Indians. It's a floating piece of our motherland, a promise of security and progress. Vikrant is a dream realized and a future imagined. This is the story of a resurgent, resilient India. Jai Hind.